And then my favorite part of the room,
The bathtub. What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are at the Beach Club Resort at a 2-bedroom villa. Super excited to show this brand new room tour off for you guys.
So the Beach Club is probably one of my favorite resorts on Disney property, just for a lot of reasons. The atmosphere, the location, the amenities. So we're really excited to be staying here. I think my favorite part about this resort is the pool, which is closed, and I'm devastated.
Yeah, unfortunately due to COVID. It's supposed to open up in the next week or two, but there's 2 quiet pools, so we're still gonna have fun.
But let's check out this room we have. It's beautiful, and everything here, obviously it's the Beach Club, it's beach themed, and so it reminds us of home a lot. It's got a lot of Cape Cod vibes, so this is kind of one of the reasons I love this place.
Yeah,
so.
Exactly. And if you guys haven't seen our other room tour videos, this is one of many so far, so check out the rest of our room tour videos. We got a bunch of them. Let's start this tour. Walking in right away, as we were saying, there's plenty of like beach theming right off the bat with like, you know, shell on the wall and stuff.
And we got our nice little Mickey setup they got for us here. Just a nice little touch. Everything right now, because of COVID, they're going through extreme cleaning measures. Just, you know, making sure everything is, you know, every little item is sanitized, you know, just doing everything they can to make sure that we're being safe for the guests. So this is our little mini kitchenette we got going on. Comes with all the glasses and silverware that's included with the villas. Our nice little living room here with the sleeper couch, which is always great. So this room can sleep up to 9 people if you fill all the beds and the sleeper couch. So you can definitely have a party in here. And yeah, you have all those home amenities. It's all
So because we're staying in the several bedroom, as you can see, they have plenty of glasses, wine glasses, pots and pans, full dishwasher. It's pretty much a full kitchen. So we got our friends with us. We're having a good time. This is
Christian. You might have recognized him from the time he cried in Galaxy's Edge.
That's not true. I didn't cry.
I'm joking.
I didn't cry. There was just something in my eye that...
Yeah. That's definitely one of our more popular videos. Who doesn't like watching a full-grown man cry?
And this here is patio number 1, featuring Miss Holly Shanahan.
Yes.
But I kind of like this view. It's nice and quiet back here. It's very green. And you can actually see in the distance, you can see the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, so we're awfully close to Epcot. Obviously, we don't have a preferred view this time like we did at the Riviera, but it's still awfully nice.
We'll take what we can get.
This couch right here pulls out with Joseph on it. You probably saw him in our Riviera video. More wall art. Everything's nicely themed. As you can see, plenty of space to sit down and eat as well.
Then we have the master bedroom, so you get the big king bed, which we don't fit in.
Yeah,
and then,
for 2 properly sized adults, this would be a perfect space.
Yeah, but we can snuggle up in a twin bed if we had to.
But we are tiny human beings.
And then we have patio number 2.
Another balcony.
Same exact, looks like it's the same size, maybe a tad bit smaller, but same view, obviously. Still.
Nice big mirror over here. More beach and seagulls wall art. Over here, another TV. All these TVs, by the way, for any of you tech people like me, you can cast to any of them. So you can hook up your phone, hook up YouTube, any Netflix, anything you really want to watch.
And of course, we got tons of storage here because it's Disney. So if you're staying here for weeks at a time, you'll have places to keep all your stuff. And then my favorite part of the room,
the bathtub.
This bathtub is gorgeous. No jets in this one, but still, I could easily just soak in here, and there's nothing better than coming back after the long day in a park and taking a nice soak. So
yeah,
I am looking forward to doing that later.
Over here is a nice big closet, and as you get into the bathroom, check out this shower. It's a beautiful shower, all glass door and everything, and huge, honestly.
And the toilet.
A separate room for the toilet. This is actually, at least for me, one of the things that I found unique about the Yacht and Beach Club. I've stayed here my whole life, and they've always had a separate room for the toilet. So yeah, basically every single, for whatever reason, every bathroom here at the Yacht and Beach Club has a separate room for the toilet, which for some people is a good thing. Let's move over to the other bedroom and finish
you
up our tour
also
here.
will have your washer and dryer because it is a villa and you have that privilege. So I love that feature.
Yes. Now walking over here, here is the second bedroom. Comes with 2 queen beds.
A little bit more closet space back here. This hotel actually has way more closet space than normally, so that's exciting. I really love the bathroom area in the double room. This is like a great place. Like Holly was like, oh, this is gonna be so nice to get ready. Just because it's big, you got the double sink, and of course, big mirror, which is great for the ladies. And then the toilet is, in the shower in this one, but still, it's gorgeous.
Yep.
Really new.
Yep. Shower looks great. Everything is.
And also, just a little note for you environmentalists out there. Disney does a program, or like a method where basically, they will schedule your trash and service, but they just want to help conserve energy and water by reusing towels. So they ask you to hang your towels so that they know that you'll reuse them, instead of leaving them on the floor and replacing them every day and wasting water.
So over here we have the 2 queen beds in the main second bedroom. Nice little lights right up above each bed, and the third balcony.
Patio number 3.
Yes, plenty of space right here for your clothes and all that, and nice little plugs all over the place.
Yeah, I love the plugs. Like, they've been really great in the newer, and when they've been updating rooms, about putting in not only more plugs, but also like the little USB outlets, which are really nice. So,
yes.
Nowadays where you have to charge everything, so.
Yeah, and then the third balcony right here. So yeah, on our last 2-bedroom villa at the Riviera Resort, they had 2 balconies. This one has 3. So that's a nice little perk. Each section has its own balcony. It's not a preferred view, but honestly, it's, amazing. It's nice and quiet.
I like having the privacy. Like, I don't know, it's, of course, preferred views are great, but
yeah.
I don't know, having this little private area, like, is so nice. So
also, this is just like, this is my favorite resort on property, the Yacht and Beach Club. I grew up here with my mom, coming here with my whole family so often, and it's because of the location. You can't really beat it. So we'll try to do a pros and cons video for this resort too, maybe, and a few other beach club videos over our stay here over the next couple days. So we'll try to get that to you. If you guys haven't seen the rest of our videos and you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button and check us out. We do Disney, Universal, and all over Orlando. Plenty of room tours, just like this video, at all other sorts of Disney resorts. So check those videos out if you'd like. I'll try to link that playlist here. And we're also on all sorts of social medias. Shout out to our TikTok family, which is suddenly very large now, which is great.
Big, guys. I'm excited.
Yeah, TikTok has been very good to us lately, which has been great. We're also doing well on Instagram, and we're on Facebook, and all sorts of other things. So if you like giveaways and interaction on social media, you can check us out over there.
We're fun. We're funny.
We're fun.
We're witty.
I swear.
Got a lot of good content. You should check it out.
We're just nice people, I think. But if you guys like this video, thanks for watching. Comment your favorite resort on property, and we can't wait to see you next time. My name's Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And we'll catch you on the flip-flop.
Bye.